It might sound corny, but I feel like one of the highest callings you can have is to be of service. Serving people and serving a cause greater than yourself brings the most fulfillment. My name is Brandon. I'm a member concierge and I've been with Lifetime for close to 5 years. When I was 2 years old, I was adopted from the Philippines, and I grew up in a small town in Wisconsin. And in college was actually the first time that I had exposure to my culture. I was fortunate enough to go with the Philippine Student Association back to the Philippines and visit the orphanage I was adopted from and connect back to my origins. So I think it was a really special experience. Going back to the Philippines, being able to have that opportunity to give back and provide service, I think is what draws me to the industry in general. Seeing people of all walks of life come through the doors, I feel it's important to have representation. When I think back like 10 years ago, I feel like I wouldn't have seen myself in these spaces. I really strive to be the person that my younger self that would have been surprised to see. Part of like my journey, my own fitness journey has been a journey of self, and in having this practice where it forces improvement in a general sense. It's this constant growing and letting go. I kind of look at it like a yin and yang. I don't know, there's like something sacred in there, and I think being able to provide a space where other people can feel that for themselves as well, and being able to work in a place that's your job, I think is probably the most fulfilling thing you could do.